Hi guys, Rick Knight, High Garden Real Estate. We're in the subdivision Clear Pond, located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're at 8028 Brogdon Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It shows like a model. It's in perfect condition. As you come in the front door, you have the 2 bedrooms and a full bath on the right. And then that door there leads to the garage. You have the laundry. You have luxury vinyl planking throughout the foyer, the living areas and kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, granite countertop. You have the mega doors. It's a really nice upgrade where both those doors open up. Smooth ceilings. Tile backsplash, gas stove, here's the master bedroom. Dual vanity, shower, water closet, a beautiful screened patio, a fenced yard. The community has a wonderful clubhouse pool. If you'd like more information, give me a call at 843-655-3517. There are some additional videos of the backyard and the front elevation.